I went to an Igbo workshop today hosted by Oko ID, and we are learning about Uli, which is a form of body painting in the Igbo culture. So we all had to come up with our own signs and symbols, building from the knowledge that we already learned. Everything you see here has its own meaning and understanding, so we had to personalize it. This is my friend's, she chose unity. This is mine, I chose love, surrounded by unity. And yeah, because why not? We have to show love, baby. Okay, so I chose love and unity. And here is this amazing guy that flew all the way from Berlin to join this workshop. He's a tattoo artist and he's drawing it on me, and I really love it. I think it's so cool. Look at that. Look at my work. I mean his work. So I think this is really cool. So here I am showing it off. Every sign you see here has its own meaning.